Catriona Eliza Magnayan Gray, born January 6, 1994, is a Filipino model, singer, and beauty queen best known for winning Miss Universe 2018, the fourth Filipina to win Miss Universe. Gray was previously crowned Miss World Philippines 2016 and Miss Universe Philippines 2018, and reached the top 5 at Miss World 2016. Catriona Eliza Magnayan Gray was born in Cairns, Queensland, Australia, on January 6, 1994, to an Australian father of Scottish descent, Ian Gray, and a Filipina mother, Normita Ragas Magnayan, from OAS, Albay, Philippines. Gray is reportedly named after her paternal grandmother, Catherine Gray, an immigrant to Western Australia from Scotland in 1952. In 1999, Gray won the Little Miss Philippines pageant in Sydney at the age of 5. Gray was a student at Trinity Anglican School in Cairns, where she was a house captain and a school chorister. She received a graduate certificate in music theory from Berklee College of Music in Boston, Massachusetts, and obtained a certificate in outdoor recreation and a black belt in Choi Kwang Do martial arts. Furthermore, Gray was lead singer of her school's jazz band. She also starred in local productions of Miss Saigon. After graduating from high school, she moved to Manila, where she worked as a commercial model. As Miss Universe Philippines 2018, Gray represented the Philippines at Miss Universe 2018 during the National Costume Show presentation on December 10th. Gray wore a beaded tribal suit featuring the indigenous tribes of the ancient pagan Filipinos, alongside an oversized parole-painted lantern pulled by a roller device. The costume was accompanied by a pre-Christian shamanic dance of the historical Babaylan paganism. The costume gained both praise and criticism due to the perceived difficulty of walking and the failure of legs to function. Gray cited her scoliosis for such issues. In the pageant's preliminary contest, Gray did a slow-motion walk billed as the lava walk on the ramp in the swimwear competition, wearing a pink swimsuit, which was praised by supermodels Tyra Banks and Ashley Graham, fashion commentators, and internet viewers. At the preliminary evening gown competition, she wore Mac Tuming's golden sweetheart gown with a thigh-high slit inspired by the Ibong Adarna and the Mikimoto crown. The pageant was held on December 17th at the Impact Arena, Muang Thong Thani, in Thailand. At the beginning of the competition, Gray advanced to top 20. During the opening statement segment, Gray recalled her experiences in working with a non-profit organization. At the end of the event, Gray won the competition and was crowned by her predecessor, Binibining Peters of South Africa. She is the fourth Filipino Miss Universe after Gloria Diaz in 1969, Margie Moran in 1973, and Pia Wurtzbach in 2015. In addition, she is the second biracial Filipina to win the Miss Universe title after Wurtzbach. Reign as Miss Universe 2018. In her capacity as Miss Universe, Gray visited Brazil, Indonesia, Thailand, South Africa, various cities and states across the United States and the Philippines. She also visited Canada and United Arab Emirates to meet with her pageant sponsors and Filipino supporters. On December 20th, 2018, Gray made a courtesy call with President Rodrigo Duterte at the Villamar Air Base in Pasay. On January 22, 2019, on February 16, 2019, Gray arrived in the Philippines for a week-long homecoming celebration with visits to the cities of Manila, Makati, Pasay, and Quezon City. Following her reign, Gray served as a judge on several national qualifying pageants for Miss Universe, having judged for the pageants in Colombia in 2020 and Vietnam in 2022. The latter pageant would receive backlash for introducing her as Australian by birth and misspelling her surname throughout the pageant. The national organization would issue an apology for their errors. In 2020, Gray was introduced as one of the presenters of the TV5 variety show Sunday Noontime Live. Gray served as a backstage correspondent of the Miss Universe 2020 finals. Alongside Zuri Hall, she reprised her role in 2023. Gray served as a local ambassador for the 2023 FIBA World Cup and participated in the final draw for the tournament. Gray was diagnosed with scoliosis at the age of 12, but was not able to secure a back brace treatment for her condition. She revealed her experiences with scoliosis with a video commemorating National Scoliosis Month in 2024. Gray is a Christian and was rebaptized in 2024. Gray was in a relationship with Filipino-German actor and model Clint Bondad from 2012 to until they separated in 2019. On May 23, 2020, Gray revealed her relationship with Filipino-American actor Sam Milby. Gray announced her engagement with Milby on February 16, 2023. 104 Milby confirmed their breakup and canceled engagement in February 2025. In March 2022, a wax figure of herself was unveiled in Madame Tussauds Singapore, making her the third Filipino to have such replica made by Madame Tussauds after Pia Wurtzbach and Manny Pacquiao. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.